Hey, today is work from home job opportunities. Today I'm coming to you with 12 work from home jobs that you can make some money as soon as next week or whenever you click on the link and start the processing of the job. Like, click on the links and see what you need to get this job. Number one is called SportsEngine in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Customer Content Specialist. You need your bachelor's degree and you need prior experience in technology. Two is Woodbridge Home, Haysville, Kansas. Appointment setter, $12 to $18 an hour. No experience is needed. 3 is called Kitchen Craft Cookware in Ocala, Florida, and this is an outside sales rep. But you're going to be working virtually, meaning you're going to be working from home, and you can actually make up to $100,000 a year in commission. Number 4 is called Cookware.com, Austin, Texas. Digital marketing sales consultant. No experience is necessary. 5 is called American Express, which I know you're familiar with. You can work anywhere in the United States, and this is a virtual customer care pro, and it's a part-time position, 100% remote. 6 is called Carlson Wagonlit, travel in San Antonio, Texas, part-time counselor. 7 is Custom Beverage Associates in Albuquerque, New Mexico, sales manager, $2,500 or $5,000 sign up bonus. They will pay you just to sign up. $25,000 to $5,000 sign up bonus. 8 is called Enhanced Opening LLC in Tucson, Arizona. Sales consultant, $80,000 to $120,000 a year, and you'll be working on commission. 9 is called Madison Allied in Sanford, Florida. Virtual real estate agent, flexible schedules. Meaning you can make your own schedule. They will work around whatever you need to do, because you're going to be working from home. So if you want to make the schedule flexible for yourself, they will work with you. 10 is called in-home sales in Peoria, Illinois, outside sales rep, paid training. 11 is called Iconic Imprint, and this is in Dripping Springs, Texas. My cat. Dripping Springs, Texas. Customer service, email and live chat service. Handle inbound inquiries, sales issues, and anything that the client has an issue with. That's going to be your job description as far as helping out the clients. 12 is called Convert Denver, Colorado, inside sales agent. No experience is needed for this position. And I hope that any one of these 12 data entry jobs that are online and that you can make some money as soon as next week. But don't forget to click on any link. Don't forget to share the video if you may know somebody that may need a work from home job and that is struggling with what's going on today. I hope that I can help you in any way with these 12 data entry work from home jobs. And I just hope that any one of these can put some money in your pocket. With that being said, I want to say thank you for checking out this video, because you did not have to. I want you to know that I appreciate you, and I thank you for coming to checking out my video, because all I want to do is bring work from home jobs in any way that you can make money from home. That's all I strive to do, and I hope that you can get it and feel it and know that this is how I feel about bringing jobs to you. I don't feel like it's a chore. If I feel like it's something that I like to do. I love to do and bring in work from home jobs to you. So thank you for coming to the channel. checking out this video, and I hope that any one of these 12 data entry work from home jobs is going to help you in making some money choices as far as what's going on today. All right, so thank you. I appreciate you. Stay well. Make sure you practice your social distancing and wear your masks. Protect yourself and protect others. Because real talk, I didn't even like the mask, but you know what? Now I can't go out. I always have my masks, and you will get used to it. It will be a part of you. So I want you to practice that and wash your hands. Please, please, please wash your hands. 20 seconds. That's all it takes. 20 seconds to protect yourself and others that you live with, you know, and you as well. You're important too. So take care and enjoy the day and stay blessed and be well. Take care. Bye-bye for now.